What if I told you that the entire marketing department for your business, the designer, the copywriter, the video editor, the SEO expert, the social media manager, could be replaced by 7 AI tools that together cost less than a single part-time hire? I'm not talking about some far-off future. I'm talking about tools you can start using today. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 7 AI-powered platforms that are quietly replacing marketing teams at startups, agencies, and small businesses around the world. Some of them are free. All of them are ridiculously powerful. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones you need. Let's get into it.
Tool number 1, Canva Magic Studio. This replaces your graphic designer. A full-time designer runs you about $55,000 a year. Canva's Magic Studio gives you AI-powered design for $15 a month. Here's what it does. Magic Design lets you type a description and it generates an entire design, social posts, presentations, flyers, business cards, fully laid out, ready to go. Magic Eraser removes any unwanted object from a photo in one click. No Photoshop skills needed. The Brand Kit feature stores your colors, fonts, and logos, so everything you create stays on brand automatically. And the one-click resize feature means you design something once, and Canva reformats it for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, a billboard, literally any dimension. For small business owner who's been paying a freelancer $200 per project, this is a no-brainer.
Tool number 2, Jasper AI. This replaces your copywriter. A decent copywriter charges anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000 a year or $50 to $200 per article on freelance platforms. Jasper starts at $49 a month, and it's not just a generic text generator. What sets Jasper apart is its brand voice feature. You feed it examples of your existing content, your website, your emails, your blog posts, and it learns your exact tone, style, and vocabulary. Then every piece it writes sounds like you wrote it. It has over 50 templates for different content types: blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, email sequences, landing pages. You can even use campaign mode, where you give it a brief and it generates an entire content package: blog posts, social captions, email newsletter, ad copy, all consistent, all on brand. For anyone who's stared at a blank page at midnight trying to write marketing copy, Jasper is the answer.
Tool number 3, HeyGen. This replaces your video editor and your on-camera talent. A video editor costs about $75,000 a year, and that's before you factor in actors, studio time, and equipment. HeyGen starts at $29 a month. Here's the magic. You type a script, pick an AI avatar, or create one from a single photo of yourself, and HeyGen generates a fully edited, professional-looking video. The avatar speaks your script with natural gestures, eye contact, and lip movements that are genuinely convincing. And here's the part that blows people away. It supports over 175 languages with automatic lip-sync translation. So you write your script in English, click one button, and you've got the same video in Spanish, Japanese, German, French, perfectly lip-synced. For businesses that need product videos, tutorials, or social content but can't afford a video team, HeyGen is a game changer.
Tool number 4, Surfer SEO. This replaces your SEO specialist. An in-house SEO expert runs about $65,000 a year, and honestly, good ones are hard to find. Surfer SEO is $89 a month, and it does something remarkable. It reverse engineers what Google is already rewarding. You type in your target keyword, and Surfer analyzes the top-ranking pages for that keyword. It tells you exactly how many words to write, what keywords to include, what headings to use, what structure to follow. As you write, it scores your content in real time. You literally watch your SEO score climb as you optimize. It also gives you content briefs, so if you're working with a team or using Jasper AI, you can hand off a detailed outline that's already optimized for ranking. And the competitor analysis feature shows you exactly what the pages on page 1 are doing that you're not. For anyone who's been paying an agency thousands a month for SEO with murky results, Surfer gives you transparency and control.
Tool number 5, Buffer with AI Assistant. This replaces your social media manager. A social media manager typically costs $58,000 a year. Buffer's free plan covers basics, and the paid plan starts at just $6 a month per channel. Now, Buffer has been around for a while as a scheduling tool, but their AI assistant has transformed it into something much bigger. You give it a link, a topic, or a rough idea, and it generates platform-specific posts. A tweet, a LinkedIn post, an Instagram caption, a Facebook update, all optimized for that platform style and character limits. The AI also suggests the best times to post based on when your audience is actually active, and it schedules everything automatically. You can plan an entire week of content in about 10 minutes. The analytics dashboard shows you which posts performed best and why, so you're constantly improving. For a small business that's been posting inconsistently and hoping for the best, Buffer's AI turns social media from a chore into a system. Tool number 6, Ad Creative AI. This replaces your ad designer and media buyer. A creative team that designs and tests ad variations can cost $70,000 plus a year. Ad Creative AI starts at $39 a month, and what it does is genuinely impressive. You upload your brand assets, logo, product images, colors, and describe what you're advertising. Ad Creative generates dozens, even hundreds of ad variations, different headlines, different images, different layouts, different calls to action. But here's the killer feature. It scores each creative for conversion likelihood. It tells you which ad is most likely to get clicks before you spend a dime on media. It analyzes your competitors' ads, shows you what's working in your industry, and connects directly to Meta Ads and Google Ads, so you can push creatives live without leaving the platform. For anyone who's been burning money on ads that don't convert, Ad Creative takes the guesswork out of creative design.
And tool number 7. This one's my favorite because it's essentially free. Gamma.app. This replaces your presentation designer or pitch deck consultant who typically charges $50,000 a year or thousands per project. Gamma's free plan is genuinely usable. You type a prompt, something like create a pitch deck for my coffee subscription startup, and within seconds, Gamma generates a complete, professionally designed presentation. We're talking title slides, problem statements, market analysis slides, team pages, financial projections, all laid out with proper visual hierarchy, consistent styling, and real design thinking. You can edit any slide, regenerate sections, and export to PowerPoint or PDF. There's even a built-in presentation mode so you can present directly from Gamma, and it tracks viewer analytics so you know which slides people actually paid attention to. For startups pitching investors, sales teams creating proposals, or anyone who's ever wasted hours fighting with PowerPoint templates, Gamma is a revelation.
Let's add this up. These 7 tools together cost roughly $228 a month. That's about $2,700 a year. A full marketing team, designer, copywriter, video editor, SEO specialist, social media manager, ad designer, and presentation designer would cost you over $400,000 a year in salaries alone. These AI tools give you 90% of the output for less than 1% of the cost. Now, are they perfect? No, there's still a learning curve, and for complex campaigns, you'll want human oversight. But for small businesses, solopreneurs, and startups trying to get off the ground, this stack is genuinely transformative. The tools are ready. The question is whether you're ready to use them.
If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. I post new AI tool breakdowns, tutorials, and reviews every single week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Drop a comment below telling me which tool you're going to try first, and I'll see you in the next one.